What if I told you that saving money in 2026 doesn't mean you need to cut out your favorite activities or sacrifice the things that bring you joy? Imagine being able to live your best life while building your savings. In fact, you can save more than ever before by simply making smarter choices. In today's video, I'll show you 5 powerful ways to save money without sacrificing the quality of your lifestyle. Trust me, these tips can help you keep enjoying life while still building your wealth. 1. Deploy an AI negotiator. In the age of technology, there's no reason to pay full price for anything, especially when you can use AI tools to negotiate lower rates on your behalf. No more endless hours spent on the phone with customer service or worrying about missing out on discounts. With tools like Rocket Money and Pine AI, you can let AI take the reins and secure discounts from your cable, internet, and phone providers. These platforms automatically contact companies for you, asking for loyalty discounts or new customer rates that you might not even know you're eligible for. This convenience eliminates the stress of haggling and negotiating, freeing up your time while still lowering your expenses. Instead of cutting essential services to save money, let AI do the hard work for you. These tools are like having a personal negotiator working on your behalf, ensuring that you're always getting the best possible deal without lifting a finger. Over time, this can add up to significant savings while still maintaining the services and experiences that you love. And the best part? You don't have to worry about the hassle of negotiating yourself. Whether it's lowering your cable bill, getting a better rate on your phone plan, or securing a discount on utilities, AI can handle it all, keeping your expenses manageable without compromising on quality. Using AI to negotiate lowers your bills in a way that doesn't feel like a sacrifice. It's an easy, hands-off method to keep your expenses in check without compromising your lifestyle. By leveraging smart technology, you can eliminate the stress and frustration typically associated with managing your finances. In 2026, smart technology can be the key to saving money without even thinking about it. With AI, you can maximize your savings effortlessly, creating a smarter, more efficient way to manage your finances. 2. Monetize quiet household waste. One of the easiest and often overlooked ways to save money is by reducing household waste, but in a way that actually earns you money. Think about it. We waste energy, food, and other resources every day without realizing how much it costs us. Now, you can turn that waste into a revenue stream. In 2026, apps like Grid Rewards allow you to earn real money by reducing your energy consumption during peak hours. These small adjustments can help you save on utility bills while earning rewards for your eco-friendly efforts. By simply shifting your energy usage to non-peak hours, you not only cut your bills, but also help reduce the overall strain on the grid, benefiting both your wallet and the environment. But it's not just about reducing energy usage. You can also save money on food without sacrificing quality by using food rescue apps. These apps offer surplus meals or high-end groceries at a fraction of their original price. For example, instead of spending top dollar on your weekly grocery shopping, you can purchase box meals or gourmet items that would otherwise go to waste at a huge discount. This allows you to maintain your love for high-end groceries and food experiences while saving money. Moreover, buying surplus items not only saves you money, but also helps reduce food waste, a major issue in the modern world. By monetizing your household waste, you're not only becoming more environmentally conscious, but also earning extra cash that can be funneled into your savings. It's a win-win that allows you to maintain your lifestyle while being more mindful of the resources you consume. Small changes like these make a big impact on your finances over time, providing a simple yet effective way to save money while contributing to a more sustainable future. 3. Adopt subscription rotation. How many subscriptions do you have right now? streaming services, fitness apps, software tools. The list can go on and on. In 2026, one of the best ways to save money without cutting down on entertainment or services is through the habit of subscription rotation. Instead of paying for multiple streaming services or memberships at the same time, rotate them quarterly. For example, rather than paying for all 5 streaming platforms simultaneously, you can subscribe to 1 or 2 at a time and switch them out every few months. This ensures that you always have fresh content to enjoy without paying for 300+ channels you don't even watch. With so many options available, it's easy to get caught up in subscription overload, but rotating your services allows you to enjoy everything you love without the financial drain of keeping them all active. This method also gives you the flexibility to try new services or explore content you might have missed while keeping your expenses in check. Subscription rotation also helps you avoid wasting money on services you don't use enough to justify the cost. Most of us tend to keep subscriptions going out of habit, even if we're not actively using them. By rotating, you only pay for what you're actively using, allowing you to get the most out of each service without overloading your budget. This simple strategy can make a huge difference in your monthly expenses, freeing up money for other financial goals while still enjoying a variety of content and services. 4. Hack digital cart abandonment. Online shopping has become a major part of our daily lives in 2026. But what if I told you that one of the best ways to save money when shopping online is by simply leaving items in your cart? That's right. Many retailers use sophisticated systems that track your shopping behavior. By abandoning your cart for at least 48 hours, you trigger an automated process where you'll often receive an email with a discount code to close the sale. This sleep on it method has 2 major benefits. It naturally curbs impulse buys, and it ensures that you pay the lowest possible price for things you truly want. Impulse shopping is one of the main reasons people overspend, and by using the cart abandonment trick, you're giving yourself time to think carefully before making a purchase. This gives you a chance to evaluate whether you truly need the item or if it's just another fleeting desire. In addition, many retailers offer time-sensitive discounts or exclusive coupon codes to encourage you to complete the purchase, which can save you money in the long run. It's a simple yet effective way to hack the system and ensure that you're only spending money on things that add true value to your life, all while saving big. 5. Leverage group benefit sharing. Another powerful money-saving strategy in 2026 is group benefit sharing. This is all about leveraging family plans, group memberships, and referral programs to lower costs on everything from gym memberships to software subscriptions. Many premium services, such as Spotify, Amazon Prime, or even gym memberships, offer family or shared plans that allow you to access all the benefits at a fraction of the cost. For example, instead of each person in your household paying separately for a streaming service, you can combine forces and share the cost. Most services allow you to add multiple users to your account for just a small additional fee, significantly reducing the cost per person. Whether it's sharing a family plan for music or splitting the cost of premium software, these group benefits can add up to substantial savings. This habit not only keeps your lifestyle intact, but also ensures that everyone in your household or social circle gets access to the tools, entertainment, and resources they need. Plus, many companies also offer referral bonuses or discounts for signing up friends and family. By sharing the benefits, you're making the most out of your memberships and services while keeping your budget in check. And there you have it. The top 5 ways to save money without cutting your lifestyle in 2026. By leveraging AI, reducing waste, rotating your subscriptions, and sharing group benefits, you can maintain the quality of life you love while still building your savings. The best part? These strategies don't require you to make any huge sacrifices. They're all about being smarter with your money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with anyone who could benefit from these tips, and of course, subscribe for more insights on how to manage your money in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.